Welcome to Starway MFG Group. Let me guide you through the journey from design to production for your products, delivered as a one-stop solution. Starway Shanghai, as the headquarters operation center, provides customers with comprehensive technical consultation, along with DFM optimization, accurate pricing, and full prototyping management. Once the design is finalized, our flexible manufacturing base, Starway Nantong, takes responsibility for building prototypes for customer validation. Rapid prototyping and quick-turn solutions are at the core of our operations. When the prototypes are fully qualified and the customer is ready to move into production, our intelligent manufacturing base, Starway Jingdezhen, steps in to initiate mass production. With advanced, automated production lines, we deliver high efficiency, consistent quality, and cost-effective manufacturing. From design to production, all technical data is seamlessly integrated and shared through our ERP and MES systems. This is what we define as a one-stop solution.